Let's bring up those pictures from Dadri. What you're seeing there is a gathering that has taken place today in defiance of Prohibitory Order Section 144. About 200 people gathered. There were only 12 or so, according to our reporters on the ground, police officers. Their local BJP leaders were among those who are now saying that it is the family of Muhammad Akhlaq, the man who was lynched, who should be reinvestigated. This after a forensic report of meat from outside Akhlaq's house talks about the meat being cow meat, and now you actually have a slew of BJP leaders, including Minister Balyan, Yogi Adityanath, all talking about how a wider inquiry is needed. Why is it even relevant if this was beef? Is this the meat of the matter, or is this a diabolical defense of murder? On the program today, GVL Narasimha Rao of the BJP is still with us. We've also joined by Madhukar Jaitley of the Samajwadi Party. The Samajwadi Party must answer as to why this took place in defiance of Section 144, and Pawan Khera of the Congress will be with us in a moment. Madhukar Jaitley, how did this gathering take place, and why is the state government not answerable for that? We'll get to what the local BJP leaders said in a moment, but how did your government allow this gathering?
You see, Barkha, the gathering of the people in the village says that they do not want to involve anybody except even the local police. They said that the government is keeping a watch on the situation, but they said that we do not want to have anybody. We will resolve the problem amongst ourselves. The second is that the government, which has already submitted a report and a charge sheet in the case which was earlier filed in September,
yes,
in which the lynching is the issue. The question is not of the meat or the beef. It is the question of the action that was taken criminally in killing a person. Against those people, the action has already been taken. Now, how can you change that stand? The government cannot change that stand. The matter is in the court. And in defiance of that, if those people are trying to do something and politically...
But it is a failure of your administration. Mr. Jaitley, your utterances...
How come, Barkha, there is no action? There have been no action, there have been no...
To me, it seems like the BJP and the SP are hand in hand, the local BJP and your state government, like in Muzaffarnagar, like in Dadri the last time, are hand in hand in polarizing the situation. This is UP elections. This is the inauguration of UP election campaign for all of you. GVL Rao, GVL Rao, let's bring you in. Let's bring you in. GVL Rao, let's bring you in. The kind of comments, sir, we are seeing from Sanjay Rana, who used to be, a district office bearer of the BJP. He's saying 20 दिन बाद हम दोबारा करेंगे और उसके बाद सरकार को जवाब देना होगा. It's almost like insinuating an open threat to violence. Even more worrying is Sanjeev Balyan. He's a minister, sir. He's saying if a cow was killed, many people would have eaten it. There should be an inquiry. Sir, are we forgetting a human being has been lynched to death, sir? This is the union minister speaking, Mr. Rao.
Barkha, I think you should not combine these two issues. The killing incident that happened a few months ago is actually a law and order issue, and certainly all those who are culpable need to be punished as per the provisions of law. Nobody has really wanted any leniency to be shown to them. It was a failure of the law and order in the local police to not be able to prevent such an attack. But the second issue is you cannot combine these two. This is again the kind of Mahapanchayat that you are talking about is a local initiative of the villagers. I think they have certain complaints against the state government. State government should talk to them and resolve the issue. I don't see any big controversy being inflamed from here. It's a local problem and it needs to be dealt with by the local administration.
Let me bring in Pawan Khera now. Mr. Rao makes the point that nobody is here to defend the lynching. But there are questions that A, the local administration must answer as to how this meeting took place. And B, since it did violate a rule of cow slaughter, why not raise those questions?
Barkha, the rule of cow slaughter of 1955, the Act of Uttar Pradesh, does not mean you kill a person. It means 2 years of imprisonment and 10,000 rupees fine. How do you go and kill a person? Let's address the fundamental question.
Which
here.
Is what?
Do you really need another forensics lab to tell you that this was a human being who got killed? Do you really need that? What are we debating about? Whether it was beef or
You're
mutton?
saying it is immaterial.
It is immaterial.
But it was not the decision of the BJP to order the forensic test. By the way, it was the decision of the Samajwadi Party government.
Who says they are not acting hand in glove? I am convinced they are. Look at the circumstantial evidence there. Now, suddenly the Mathura report becomes public through the defense lawyer. Now, the villagers there, the family of Akhlaq, were apprehending this. If you remember, last month they had given a petition to the government that they apprehend that the lab report will also get fabricated.
Mr. Jaitley, it's a good question to say that the decision to test the meat, and by the way, there's a discrepancy here because this forensics report is based on meat that was found outside Akhlaq's house. Akhlaq's family said that some relative
Yes,
had given them
yes,
meat that
yes,
was inside the
yes,
fridge.
yes.
I want to ask you, Mr. Jaitley, ये टेस्ट ही क्यों हुआ? इसका क्या रेलेवेंस है? एक आदमी मारा गया, मुझे क्या फर्क पड़ता है वो बीफ है, पोर्क है, मटन है, क्या है? What is its relevance? And that was your decision.
So
The
that is what the
BJP
government has
leadership
submitted the
must
report.
answer for the comments
You
of
see,
its leaders,
Barkha-
but that was your decision, Mr. Jaitley.
No, Barkha, the government has similarly submitted a likewise charge sheet in the court. It has said that irrespective of the fact that whatever there was in the fridge or outside the house,
Yeah.
the killing of that person has been done.
But why does this
and therefore
discrepancy exist?
the law has been attracted.
Mr. Jaitley, why does this discrepancy exist? ये सैंपल जो था ये बाहर से क्यों लिया गया जब परिवार ने कहा कि जो मीट था वो घर के अंदर था? I'm a bit confused. If you could enlighten us on this,
You
please.
see, Barkha, it is further a matter of investigation whether it was somebody who instigated those people who are in the jail, or
Yes.
somebody. There are several facts, new facts coming in the light.
Yes.
So therefore, this is a matter further to be investigated. But the main question is that irrespective of the fact that whether it was X or Y edible item, the killing of that person is not justified.
But the point is, why did you test the meat then? And my question to Mr. Rao will be, Mr. Rao, you say don't club these issues. How can we not club the issue when the local Shiv Sena leader, your ally, वो आज कहते हैं Akhlaq's family is responsible for cow slaughter. Sanjeev Balyan says if a cow was killed, many people would have eaten it. There should be an inquiry. Sanjay Rana, जो local BJP leader है, whose son is in jail, says we are the real victims. And then he says हम 20 दिन देते हैं. If there is no action, उसके बाद हमारी जवाबदारी नहीं सरकार की. That seems like an open call to violence, Mr. Rao.
Barkha, I think neither the Congress representative nor the SP representative on the show have any answers to give, and rather they are trying to very cleverly combine these two issues. I separated them. The killing of Akhlaq is certainly is to be punished as per the rules, as per the provisions of law. Nobody is asking for any leniency there. I think
So
the
what
process,
is the-
the
what is
rule of
the-
law
what
must
is
be
Mr.
followed.
Balyan asking
And as
for?
far as the second issue is concerned,
Yes.
I think
Correct,
local
correct, you're right.
people, I think
Absolutely
local
right.
people are asking,
Yes.
local people are asking if, you see, you yourself have got the meat tested.
Yes.
And you have your own state laboratory, the Mathura forensic laboratory is saying this is cow meat, this is beef. So is there a cow slaughter that has happened in the village? And is this a common occurrence? This is a concern being expressed by people.
Okay, Pawan,
you have
come in
to
then. Pawan, come in.
investigate and
If
substantiate that.
Akhlaq was not
You have
killed,
to initiate,
and if
investigate
there was
and
a complaint
substantiate
that there is beef found in their house, I completely understand there should have been a test, and as per the 1955 Act,
If
action
he
should
was
have been
not
taken.
murdered.
If he was not murdered. The fact that you killed him, I mean, the fact that he was killed, does not justify sending the meat to 2 labs, getting a report. Why? Do you want to file an FIR against a man who's already been killed? Is this a mockery of justice? What are you doing? And then, excellent, the spokespersons of BJP play good cops here. No, it was very bad that Akhlaq got killed. But, what do you mean but? Where does this but come from? And the foot soldiers of BJP, the representatives of BJP, the MPs, the ministers, talk rubbish there on the ground, and there is no action taken. Why is the Prime Minister quiet? Why is the Prime Minister silent
I
on
think
this?
this is your, this is not going to help you. You don't figure out.
We don't need
you
help.
don't
We are
figure
not
in
talking
UP
about elections.
politics
I'm
at
sorry,
all.
you think
and
in
your
terms of
statements
help.
are not
What
going
kind
to
of
make
help are
any
you talking
difference.
about? You
I
are
think
thinking
we
of
have all
elections.
along
I'm not
maintained
thinking
the
of
same
elections.
Okay, let Mr. Rao
statement.
speak.
Why
Our
is the Prime
stand
Minister
clear.
quiet?
It
Pawan, you
is
made
for
your
the
point. Let
local
GVL come in there.
administration
GVL Rao,
to
go
take
ahead.
action.
GVL Rao, go ahead. GVL Rao, let me put it to you differently.
I think
let me put it to you differently,
Pawan-
sir. I agree with you. I think the Samajwadi Party government is responsible for law and order, and I do not understand why police presence was thin. I do not understand why this meeting was allowed to happen. I do not understand why the meat was tested. Equally, I say to you, Mr. Rao, do you agree with the kind of comments that Mr. Balyan as a minister has made? He is a union minister, sir. He is now talking about an inquiry into cow slaughter. Does that not take away from what this family has been through? We're just going to get Muhammad Akhlaq's brother up in a moment, but I just want your comment on that, Mr. Rao.
You see, Barkha, I'm not going to comment on individual statements made by leaders. you can certainly, but then if the comment was that the matter needs to be investigated, if a cow slaughter had indeed happened in the village, I think honestly I would consider that that would be a genuine demand, because there is a law that exists which prohibits cow slaughter.
So you
I think
want to
beyond
now
that,
punish
I
Akhlaq
don't
after he's
want
already
to
been
associate
killed?
myself.
What are you talking about? That there should be an
What is
inquiry.
your
whether
question to the
My
Samajwadi Party,
question
to the
is-
SP?
Look,
I think
Samajwadi is
I-
equally
this kind
responsible
of-
for what's happening in Dadri today.
This kind of
I
fake
completely
anger is
agree
not
with
going
you,
to
Barkha.
help you, Pawan.
Why was the meat sent
Fake
for
anger
testing?
is not going to help
After
you.
a man has been killed.
Ask
Now, what do you
Sonia
want to
Gandhi,
do?
what is your stand on beef?
Can
first
you
of
now
all?
punish
What
No,
is
Akhlaq
that's a fair
again?
again?
Your
question.
party's
That's a
stand
fair
on
question.
cow
There are
slaughter
enough
and beef.
Congress leaders who were tripping over. You know, the fact is that not one Congress leader actually comes out and says it doesn't matter whether it was beef, mutton, or
I'm
or
sorry,
because
a lot of people
because
have
a number
already
of
said it.
Congress leaders are taking credit for हमने cow slaughter ban लाया पहले.
Bhai, ban ho ya na ho, that's a separate debate. If you want to debate that, let's debate that again
No,
right
no,
now if you
please
want.
answer that.
That's not the issue.
What is your
The
position?
issue is my personal position.
Not
yes.
personal. What is the party position?
Party position, ask the party spokesperson.
What is your question to Mr. Jaitley?
My question
to
Mr.
Jaitley, and then I
is,
want to get a
why
Jan
was the meat
This
sent
is-
for testing
Mr.
in a
Jaitley,
laboratory
please
after
answer that.
Akhlaq
Mr.
was
Jaitley,
killed?
that's a very
What was
fair
the
question.
intention there?
Are you,
What was
are
the
you
intent?
promoting
Mr.
cow
Jaitley.
slaughter? Are you justifying cow slaughter? Is Congress
I'm not
party
commenting on
justifying
that at
cow
all,
slaughter?
because when we
Is
do that
Congress
debate,
party
we'll talk
wanting
about
to
that.
promote
Now,
consumption
don't
of
shift
beef?
the goalpost, Mr. GVL Narasimha Rao.
Is
Please don't
Sonia
do that.
Gandhi in favor of
I
it?
think there is a
Please,
there is a
why?
question.
I think
there is a
you've been
question
asking all
targeted for
kinds
Mr.
of silly
Jaitley. Let him
questions
answer
on
that.
this.
Mr.
one.
Jaitley, answer
We'll
the
discuss
question.
this
Mr.
okay.
Rao,
I'm
this question
asking
for
you a
Mr.
pointed
Jaitley.
question.
Mr. Rao, this question for Mr.
Barkha.
Jaitley, in fact. Why was this meat tested? And why is there a discrepancy between the two reports?
Barkha, if you do
Why is
not-
there a
no, no.
discrepancy in the two reports, Mr. Jaitley?
Barkha.
Yes.
As I told you just now, this is to be further investigated whether the meat tested from at both the meats that have been tested are from the same place.
Yes, we don't know
This
because
is
one
not
was
sure.
inside, one was outside.
Some people are saying that the meat is outside the house.
Yes.
No, some people are saying that the meat tested now is outside the house and the meat tested earlier was inside the house.
Yes.
And
Yes, some
secondly,
people nahi, this is true.
Today,
It's a
Barkha, the
fact.
way the BJP leaders, Barkha, listen.
Yes.
The way the BJP leaders are today trying to instigate the mob there against the people who have
But
been
what was your
arrested.
police doing?
Against the
What
people
was-
who-
what
was
against-
your police
against-
doing,
What
sir?
were you doing?
What was
When
the
they were
police
violating
doing?
No, no,
section
we are
144, what was
keeping
your
an eye on
government
the
doing there?
situation. We
Okay,
are keeping
I
an
just
eye
want to
on
bring
the
in.
situation
I just want to
in
bring in a
Noida.
comment from Jan Mohammed. Let's just go to Jan Mohammed. Jan Mohammed is Mohammed Akhlaq's brother. Now Akhlaq's family has been moved out by the Air Force. They no longer live there, the immediate family. But Akhlaq's brother Jan Mohammed and Jan Mohammed साहब, सबसे पहले मैं पूछना चाहूंगी कि आपको क्या एक तरह से दोबारा डर लगने लग गया है, क्योंकि आपका परिवार तो अभी भी वहीं है दादरी शहर में, उस गांव में नहीं, लेकिन दादरी के इलाके में।
बता दूं कि हमारे लिए सबसे ऊपर देश है, फिर हर कोई भी जान है, कोई भी आदमी है, किसी भी जाति धर्म का है, हमारे लिए महासम्माननीय है, चाहे वो कोई भी है। मैं किसी दल या किसी सेना की बात नहीं करता हूँ। जिस तरह की बातें की होंगी वो उनका पर्सनल मुद्दा रहा है, उनकी अपनी थिंकिंग है, उनकी अपनी लाइन है। बट हम ये कहना चाहते हैं कि हमारा इससे कोई रिलेशन नहीं है कि भाई कौन आदमी क्या कह रहा है, क्या बोल रहा है। बस हम चाहते हैं कि कोई भी जांच हो, पुलिस जांच हो या सरकार जो भी उचित जांच समझे वो कराए, हमें न्याय ही मिलना चाहिए।
बिल्कुल,
सच लोगों के सामने आ जाए और हमारे क्षेत्र में शांति और अमन चैन कायम रहे, हमारे लिए देश सर्वोपरि है।
जी, और आपने जो एक तरह से मैच्योरिटी और जेनरोसिटी दिखाई है वो हमारे नेताओं ने नहीं दिखाई, तो इस बात की मैं आपको दाद देती हूं। मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी जान मोहम्मद साहब, क्या ये जो फोरेंसिक रिपोर्ट आई है जो अब बीफ की बात करती है, क्या आप इसको लीगली, आपका परिवार इसको चैलेंज करेंगे?
देखिए मैडम, मैं कोर्ट जाने की बात नहीं करता। मैं आपको एक चीज बता दूं, 29 दिसंबर 2015 के अमर उजाला में दादरी की रिपोर्ट आई। उन्होंने घुटने से नीचे तक के 4 पैरों की जांच की और 4 से 5 इंच के एक मीट के टुकड़े की जांच की और एक चेहरे की खाल की जांच की। वो बताते हैं बाद में कि विजुअल जांच थी। मैं उनसे सिर्फ एक ही सवाल पूछना चाहूंगा, जिन्होंने भी वो मीट की चेकिंग की हो, कि वो जो विजुअल चेक में भी बकरे की टांग और किसी बछड़े की या गाय की या भैंसे की टांग में एक अंधा आदमी भी हाथ लगा के बता देगा कि ये किस चीज की टांग है। वो विजुअल चेकिंग भी मैं ये मानता हूँ, पैरों की जांच जो उन्होंने की है, मीट के टुकड़े की मुझे नहीं पता कि वो विजुअल करते हैं या केमिकल डाल के करते हैं, ये तो वो लोग जाने। बट बकरे की टांग में और बछड़े की टांग में अंतर कोई भी बता सकता है। दूसरा, 30 दिसंबर 2015 के अमर उजाला की रिपोर्ट ने बड़े साफ लिखा है कि मथुरा फॉरेंसिक लैब ने भी पुष्टि की है मटन की, मीट
जी।
की। ये दोनों ही पेपर की कटिंग मेरे पास
जी।
हैं। और जहां तक मैं जानता हूं, चाहे कोई पेपर मीडिया हो चाहे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया हो,
वही
वो
तो
बिना
बात है कि ये
एविडेंस के कोई
discrepancy
भी
क्यों
न्यूज़
आ
ना
रही है?
छाप
आप बिल्कुल
सकता है,
ठीक
ना
कह
दिखा
रहे हैं कि
सकता
जब
है।
ये पहले
अगर वो
रिपोर्ट आई
दोनों
थी,
रिपोर्ट सही हैं,
बिल्कुल।
तो मीडिया के पास कहीं ना
जय-
कहीं किसी आदमी की जिसने वो बताया होगा रिकॉर्डिंग भी होगी
बिल्कुल
या उसकी वाइट की होगी उन्होंने।
बिल्कुल जान मोहम्मद साहब, जो आप कह रहे हैं वही हम जेटली साहब से पूछना चाह रहे हैं कि ये डिस्क्रिपेंसी क्यों। एक आखिरी सवाल, आप आज के दिन अपने गांव के लोगों को, दादरी के लोगों को कुछ संदेश, क्योंकि आपने कहा देश सबसे ऊपर है आपके लिए, तो ये कि ये तनाव दोबारा ना शुरू हो, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? विक्टिम तो आप है, लेकिन वो अपने आप को विक्टिम कहते
मेरा
हैं।
मैसेज है, मेरी हाथ जोड़ के निवेदन है गांव और क्षेत्रवासियों, हर आदमी से, कि जब तक सच सामने ना आ जाए अच्छी तरह, आप लोग शांति बनाए रखें और अपने भाईचारे को किसी भी कीमत पे दफन ना होने दें, क्योंकि ये सदियों का भाईचारा है। इस क्षेत्र में गुर्जर समुदाय एक ऐसा समुदाय है कि जिसकी इस देश का हर मुसलमान इस क्षेत्र का प्रशंसा करता है कि वो बड़ा शांति प्रिय और बड़ा नेक और बड़ी बढ़िया कौम है और हमेशा सौहार्द बनाने वाली कौम। और मैं भी उस कौम की प्रशंसा करता हूं। मैं राजपूत समाज की, हर समाज की प्रशंसा करता हूं और सभी लोगों से ये अपील करता हूं, उन लोगों से भी जिनके परिवार के बच्चे इस केस में बंद हैं, जो अपराधी हैं, कि वो भी शांति बनाए रखें। ईश्वर में अगर उनका विश्वास है, आस्था है, मेरी भी है, तो सच बिल्कुल सामने आ जाएगा। अनर्गल बातें ना करें, हमारा भाईचारा कभी ना कभी तो एक होगा। और ये भी मैं उन्हें एक मैसेज देना चाहता हूं कि भाई कहीं ना कहीं हर समस्या का कोई समाधान है, हर रात का एक सवेरा है। बस कोशिश हमें रखनी चाहिए इंसानियत बनाने के लिए, अपने क्षेत्र में शांति बहाल करने के लिए। किसी भी आदमी का अगर एक भी बूंद खून की नाहक बहती है तो मैं उससे ज़्यादा दर्द फील करूंगा जो मेरे भाई इखलाक का खून बहा, उससे ज़्यादा मुझे दर्द होगा। इसीलिए किसी भाई का नाहक खून ना बहे। ये राजनीतिक कारण, अगर राजनीति की वजह से कोई भी आदमी हमारा आपका मिसयूज कर रहा है, कोई भी है वो, एनीवे मैं किसी का ना पार्टी विशेष का नाम लेता हूँ ना इंसान विशेष का नाम लेता हूँ, कोई ना कोई कहीं ना कहीं सिंपैथी हर आदमी की होती है, बट वो इस चीज़ पे खास कर ध्यान दें। यहाँ हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई, जैन, बौद्ध, पारसी, यहूदी की बात नहीं है, इंसानियत की बात है। और इंसानियत के लिए हम सभी लोग, सभी भाई मिल के प्रयास करें, एक सौहार्द बनाए रखें। पंचायतों से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है। ये जो भी है एक जांच का विषय है। अगर किसी भाई को आपत्ति है, सरकार की उतनी जिम्मेदारी है, उनकी भी सुने, लेकिन सच और हक। ये नहीं कि कोई कुछ भी कहेगा, आंदोलन करेगा, सरकार को अल्टीमेटम देगा, ये कोई तरीका नहीं है। तरीका है अपनी बात कहने का, तो उसका तर्क सहित, प्रूफ सहित आप उसे साबित करिए, तो सरकार भी मानेगी, कानून भी मानेगी, पुलिस भी मानेगी।
जान मोहम्मद साहब, आपका एक अक्षर से कोई एक तरह से डिसएग्री नहीं कर सकता। You've been amazing, and I'm going to give just 30 seconds as final comments to all the politicians to learn something from the dignity of this family. Mr. Jaitley, I'll start with you. 30 seconds. Closing comments.
Barkat, this message of Mr. Jan Mohammed is also for the BJP leaders who are trying
And
to
for
spread
you.
canards in the
And for you as
area.
well.
Not only in the area.
Also,
We are not doing anything, Barka. We are not done anything. We are trying to make sure the law and order is maintained over there.
Okay, Pawan.
Barkha, this is a rerun of Muzaffarnagar. We can all see it happening. And as politicians, we should all hang our heads in shame after listening to Mr. Jan Mohammed.
Yes,
That's
I
all
agree.
I want to say.
I agree. Mr. Rao, you can't listen to the political noise after what we just heard from Mr. Jan Mohammed.
No, Barkha, I think everyone condemns the violence that took place. I think any killing of any human being is something that is completely unacceptable, and the rule of law must prevail. I think the failure of the state government in enforcing law and order in time to prevent such a mishap is certainly something that everyone needs to be watchful about in future. I think that's all I would like to say.
And I will just end with the closing words that stay with me from Muhammad Akhlaq's brother. Bhaichare ko dafan mat hone dijiye. And that is a message, really a warning to all politicians. This could get worse as the UP campaign comes closer, and that is the really scary bit. Let's not forget, as we debate cow slaughter, that a man was lynched to death. Thank you, GVL Rao, Pawan Khera and Madhukar Jaitley, leaving it there on the Buck Stops.